Making $200 per day? Here's how. First, translate these words. Next, copy the link. Then, paste it here and click Add a website. By doing so, you will receive $23.10, and if you multiply that by 10, you can earn $231 per day. Just follow me, and I'll walk you through the setup process. All you need to do is click where I click. So let's dive in. The first website we're going to use is Google Translate, which is simple to use. As you may know, you just type in English for example, and it automatically translates it to Spanish, French, or any language of your choice. The website we will get the offer from is CPA Grip, a well-known CPA website with a wide range of offers to choose from. Now, all we have to do is create an account simply by clicking register right up here. Fill in your details and click register now. After signing up, you can log in, and your dashboard will look like this. You will also notice here the public chat section where users are sharing their results. As you can see, a lot of people are having success with this website. Now, the first step is to select high-paying offers. To do that, go to the left side and click Offer Tools, then select My Offers. In the Country section, you will see your country selected and the currently available offers in your country. To sort offers by the top-paying offers, click Payout. Also, on the left under the Type section, you can see if the offer is suitable for desktop, iOS, or Android. For instance, this particular offer is suitable for Android users only. And when you click on the offer, a pop-up window appears. It shows you the link you need to promote and what information the visitors need to provide so you can earn a commission. To get your affiliate link, simply click on the copy link button. You can also see a thumbnail that shows how the offer page looks like when someone clicks on your link. To filter the offers and find the best ones, you need to select European countries such as France, Italy, Germany, and Spain. These countries typically offer higher payouts per action performed. To do that, click on your country and type the country you want to search, let's say France. Then, click here to sort by payout and select the highest paying offer to promote. For example, this offer right here pays you $23.10 for every person that completes the task. But make sure you are familiar with the offer so you can promote it effectively. You most likely know about iPhone, so let's choose this one. And that's what the offer page looks like. This offer asks people to provide their contact info. If I select and copy this French text and paste it into Google Translate, you can see that it says enter your mobile number. Now, to get started promoting this offer, you just need to click on the copy link button and save the link on a notepad. Now I'm going to show you a website that can help us promote our link and get free traffic. The website is called trafficadbar.com, and it guarantees over 1,000 visitors to your website or link every 3 days. There's another website that can give you even more traffic, but let me show you this one first. Imagine if just 10 visitors click on our link and enter their mobile numbers, we could make around $231. Now, picture this, if 1,000 visitors complete the task, we could make a whopping $23,100. And the best part is that it only takes around 15 minutes to set it all up. But let's be realistic here. If only 1% of visitors perform the action, that's still over $200. Even if only one person performs the action, we still get $23.10 for less than 15 minutes of work. So let's post our link on this awesome website and generate some free traffic to our link. Now to sign up for Traffic Ad Bar, click on the sign up button located over here. After that, enter your first name and email address, then click join. Check your email inbox and click on the activation link you received to activate your account. Next, complete the setup process, create a password, choose a username and click check username. Once you've confirmed that your username is available, click create account. A pop-up window will then appear, simply click OK to finish setting up your account. Next, you can select any of the available times such as 8 o'clock, and then click save and OK. And here is where we're going to add our affiliate link or the link that we generated from CPA Grip. Remember, anytime that anybody clicks on that link and performs that action, we're going to get paid $23.10. So, go back to your CPA link that you would have saved earlier. I've got mine in the notepad, so you want to copy it and then paste it directly into Traffic Ad Bar. But before we proceed, please note that Traffic Ad Bar does not accept direct links from sites like CPA Grip. So we need to follow a workaround involving 2 steps. First, create a simple landing page and add the CPA Grip link to it. Then, provide the link of the landing page on Traffic Ad Bar. So all we have to do now is go to Google and search for Google Sites. click on the link that says Google Sites. After that, click on the option that says blank to create our simple landing page. Now, let's proceed with creating our landing page. First, go to Google Translate and select the language you are translating from. In my case, it's English. Then, choose the language you want to translate to. In this case, it's French. Type a compelling headline such as "Win an iPhone for free, enter or giveaway today." Copy the French translation and paste it into the landing page. Adjust the text size to make it fit nicely. Next, add some image to further entice the visitors. Adjust the size and position of the image as desired. Center it to ensure it looks visually appealing. Next, let's add another text box, which will serve as our call to action. Use a phrase like "click here to enter and win an iPhone." Do the same, copy the French translation and paste it here. Make the text bold and center it. Adjust the text size slightly, if needed. Next, we will be adding our CPA grip link to this text. Click the link button, paste in your link, and click apply when you're done. This is where people will click and be taken to the offer we chose. Finally, go to the top corner of the page and click publish to publish our landing page. A small window will appear where you need to add a name for your site. Choose a name like iPhone giveaway and click publish at the bottom. Now our landing page is published and ready to receive traffic. Let's copy the link of our landing page by clicking copy publish site link at the top. Finally, click the blue copy link button. Then, go back to traffic ad bar. Paste the link here and click add a website. Now, go to Google Translate and select the language you are translating from. In my case, it's English. Then, choose the language you want to translate to. In this case, it's French. Type something like iPhone giveaway, copy the French translation, and paste it into the traffic ad bar's title section. Then, add another line like "sign up right now." Do the same, copy the French translation and paste it here. Next, scroll down and choose the language of the ad. It's French in our case, so select that. Then, scroll down further and choose France as your target location. This means your ad will be seen by visitors from France. Now choose a date when you want your ad to be displayed. And finally, click save. And for those of you who have made it this far in the video, I want to share an awesome website that I came across while creating this video. You can use it for free and get up to 6,000 visitors, or for a small investment of $10, you can get a whopping 60,000 visitors. Sounds amazing, right? And on top of that, it's super easy to use. Just sign up with your email and password. The site is called Sigma Traffic. You should definitely go and check it out. And my last bonus tip for you is to use TikTok or YouTube Shorts to get more free traffic. Just post videos about iPhones or the offer you want to promote, and you can get millions of free traffic with little effort. If you want me to cover that topic in more detail in another video, let me know. So, that was it for today.
Please whatever.